Nowadays, business workloads are scattered in physical, virtual, and cloud environments, making IT difficult to manage and monitor backup tasks. When IT seeks for modern backup and recovery solutions, it usually requires purchasing backup software and storage servers independently. As backup software vendors continue charging you for the number of CPU sockets, PCs, or servers, it means a recurring investment as your business grows in the long run. Don't step back due to expensive and recurring software license fees anymore. Synology Active Backup changes the rule of the backup market by offering an integrated backup solution on Synology NAS completely free of software licenses. With one-time hardware cost, you can have access to the license-free Active Backup, no matter how many PCs, servers, virtual machines, or user accounts in Office 365 or G Suite that you're going to back up. What's more, with Synology Active Backup Suite, you can centralize backup tasks from VMware virtual machines, Windows servers and PCs, Office 365, G Suite, and file servers all from a single console with different packages. By leveraging VMware Changed Block Tracking, or CBT, and Windows VSS, Active Backup for Business performs forever incremental backup by only backing up the change data, efficiently saving your backup time from source side. With global deduplication, Active Backup greatly reduces the storage consumption across platforms, devices, and versions. What organizations need besides efficient backup is easy and flexible restore options. Active Backup provides various restoration methods that best fit your business scenario in the event of a disaster. As businesses increasingly rely on data stored in cloud services, they are faced with the need to own and protect their data. Active Backup for Office 365 and Active Backup for G Suite are made exclusively for each cloud service, providing an on-premises backup solution. Through continuous backup, it allows businesses to back up users' services in a non-stop manner, so your backup will always be as current as a few minutes ago. Active Backup Suite helps minimize the overall cost and maximize the backup efficiency. Never worry about license fees again. Start free today. To find out more about Active Backup Suite, visit the link in the description.